So here is the first question. The number of integer solutions of the equation x square minus 50 raised to the power x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 1. Now this kind of question has been asked in CAT before as well. So many of the students already have an idea about it, that what is to be done. Let's start discussing. So there are three cases actually in which a number's power can be equal to 1. The first case is then when anything is raised to the power 0, that becomes 1. The second case is when 1 is raised to any power, that also becomes 1. And the third case is, which generally students forget, that is when minus 1 raised to an even power, then also it becomes 1. So let's try them one by one now. In the first case, if anything raised to the power 0 is 1, that means if the power is 0, that will make it 1. So power is 0, that means x square minus x minus 12 is 0, or x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. By solving this quadratic, I'll get the value of x as 4 and minus 3. So these are the two values of x which will make this as 1. I mean the power is 0 and the final value is 1. Second scenario, when the base is equal to 1. If the base is equal to 1, whatever is the power, it will be equal to 1. So base is equal to 1, that means x square is equal to 51, but this does not provide any integral solution. So therefore, this also is not valid. Let's come to the third case. In the third case, the base should be minus 1. So if x square minus 50 is equal to minus 1, that gives me x square is equal to 49. Hence, x can be plus 7 or minus 7. But the point is, at this plus 7 and minus 7, the power should also become even. Let's try that. If I put plus 7, it will become 7 square minus 7 minus 12, and it is an even number. Similarly, when I put minus 7 square minus minus 7 minus 12, this also is an even number. So ultimately, both of these values also provide a value such that final is equal to 1. So the values of x can be 4, minus 3, plus 7 or minus 7. So there are four possible values for which it is possible my answer for the question would be equal to 4. So I would consider it as an easy question because this question has already been asked in CAT. I mean, not exactly the same figures, but the type has already been asked. So students should be aware of this.